friends, this is Udit and you're watching ultratechnical. Friends, in this video I'll tell you uh, how to solve Termux update error. Well, Termux has Termux has having a update error if you try to download it and install it from Play Store because of some policies that Google is implementing nowadays. So how to solve this error? As I'm using BlueStacks. Okay, I have installed Termux in BlueStacks. Don't worry, whether whatever I am telling you, it will work in your normal mobile phone also. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to download Android. Okay, you have to download Android. Trust me, friends. There is there is no any other options available right now. Friends, now I will tell you. You have to download Termux from F-Droid, okay? And for that you have to download F-Droid, okay? So how to download F-Droid? Just type here F-Droid APK. That's it. It will download F-Droid APK. Okay. After that, after downloading this F-Droid APK, go to F-Droid and search Termux. That's it. Let's install this version. Now your update problem will be solved. Let me tell you how PKG update. Okay, before updating, it is already written here. The Google Play version of the Termux app no longer receives update. For more information, okay, that's it. So PKG update. That's it. This is how you solve update or upgrade error. Okay. So this video helps you. Thank you for watching.